welcome back to this week's video. Today I will be making garlic shrimp stir fry. This recipe is very quick, simple and easy, and I have all the ingredients lined out right here that we will need for this video. So I'm going to give a quick rundown of everything that I have in front of me. I have soy sauce, I have sesame oil, I have Thai sweet chili sauce. I also have my extra virgin olive oil. I have brown sugar, I have cornstarch, asparagus, snow peas. I have my shrimp. I also have sweet pepper. I have red and I have green. You can use either color. I chose to use two different colors. I have sesame seeds, 6 cloves of garlic. I also have garlic powder, fish seasoning, and onion powder. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I create this meal, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to season our shrimp. As you can see, my shrimp, they still have the tail on them. I'm going to keep the tails on. That's just my personal preference. You can take your tails off if you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and season our shrimp. So I'm going to be seasoning with my garlic powder, my onion powder, and my fish seasoning. Okay, so now that our shrimp is seasoned, we're gonna go on to making our sauce. Sauce in my measuring cup, just so you guys can see, because if I do it in this, you guys won't really see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna take my soy sauce. I'm using ½ cup of soy sauce. My sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. Now I'm gonna use my chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. Now we're gonna add our cornstarch and water. We're gonna mix. To cut up our bell peppers. So like I mentioned before, I will be using red and green. You can use yellow, you can use just red, you can use whichever you choose. bell peppers. Vegetable seasoning. Now I'm gonna add my shrimp. Now I'm gonna add my sauce. I did forget to show you guys the garlic, but I did cut up my garlic. You can cut it up way smaller than this. If you don't mind the garlic taste, you can cut it in chunks. But yes, so I'm gonna add my sauce now. And just allow that to cook and get thick. guys. Look at what we have. This is our finished meal. There you have it, our garlic shrimp stir fry. I hope you guys found this video as easy as I did. I didn't want to add too much steps to complicate stuff. Keep it short, sweet, and still as tasty as if you were to go out and order it at a restaurant. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I did serve it over rice. Probably can't see the rice. And I did add the sesame seeds on top. I didn't use the cilantro. There was no need for it in the end. If you do remake this video, please tag me on Instagram so I can repost you. I really do enjoy when you guys try my recipes and then inbox me and tell me, oh, I tried it. It was awesome. It was delicious. It really means a lot to me. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Join the journey. Video number 2, guys. We're doing big things. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.